Hey everyone, this is John from Pxel7 Media. In this video, you will learn how to add photos to your Google business profile so you can stand out in local search and get more calls and clicks. Let's begin. Step one, open your browser and go to Google. And then check the top right corner of your screen to confirm you're signed into the correct Google account, the one that manages your business. And then click the link in the description of this video. Then you should see a management panel just like so with bunch of buttons, and look for an option called add photo or photos. As you can see right here, we click the photos, then you click add photos, then select images and videos and select the image you want to upload. And that's it. This is how you upload photos to your Google business profile. And before you guys leave, I want to give you a quick SEO tip. Try to avoid using stock photos. I mean, people can spot those a mile away. Instead, share real photos of your team and your jobs. And FYI, Google can also tell the difference between an actual photo and stock photo. This should cover it. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you like to see more SEO tips. Thank you and God bless you all.